Well, I think
Okay na po.
we made a major adjustment after the 3 quarters, which is according to the plan naman yun eh. So, after the first half, we plan to switch to zone, but medyo nang-delay ng konti dahil we're doing well on man-to-man eh. But in the third quarter, they were able to lead, I think, 8 points or 10 points. So, I said to my assistant coach na, I think it's about time to shift to zone defense, which we practice dahil alam naman namin na ang condition nila sa amin is ang basa nila sa amin we never play zone defense the entire summer league at saka itong the first 6 games dito sa UAP. But we're practicing it dahil just in time pumasok ito para dito talaga sa Lasal. We know that we cannot contain the offense of Lasal from start to finish. We just tried in the first 3 quarters and then in the fourth quarter. So I think yung zone defense namin is the key. Coach,